Making Google Calendar dark mode is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can make your Google Calendar dark mode. The process is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here, I'm just going to search for calendar and obviously the Google Calendar will be the first thing to pop up. Now you just have to go to calendar.google.com. As you can see, this is what your Google Calendar looks like. In order to make it to the dark mode, you just have to open up a new tab and go to Google. Now in your Google, you simply have to search for Chrome Web Store. Now after searching for Chrome Web Store, you have to go to this website. And in this website, you simply have to search for dark. Now the dark mode, this app will appear, this extension will appear. You just have to click on that. And then you simply have to add this to your Chrome. Now after adding this extension to your Chrome, as you can see, it just installed. I'm just going to enable it. So you just have to click on that and make sure the colors are popping. As you can see, they are not. If I click on that, now the dark mode is enabled. So I'm just going to refresh the page and it should get the job done. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.